Verification is an important step in your CAM programming, helping to identify issues that could result in a collision or a near miss involving the machine, cutting tool, fixtures, and more. These complex calculations take time, so it is essential that these are done as efficiently as possible to help shorten the overall manufacturing timeline. To aid in this, the ability to queue toolpath and NC program verification for background calculation has now been added to Autodesk PowerMill 2022.1. During a verification command, the option to verify runs the calculation in the foreground, utilizing all the available computing resources. As this is happening, PowerMill is locked into the command, meaning that we must wait until it's been completed before we can do anything further. By selecting the new queue option, these calculations are now processed in the background, freeing computer resources and allowing you to continue with other part programming tasks. Let's see how this new option can be used to save us programming time. Looking at this project, we have a roughing program that is ready to send to the machine, but first it needs to be verified. Let's open the NC program verification and select the new queue option to process this in the background, and then close the form. We also have a finishing toolpath that has been calculated but not collision checked. We can open the toolpath verification and use the new queue option as well. Once we have selected it to be queued, we can then close the form. To review what has been queued and its status, we can open the calculation queue form, which we can see that the roughing program is being calculated and the toolpath is pending in the list and will be completed next. As these both are being completed in the background, we are free to carry on programming. So let's go ahead and create a new toolpath to finish the detail area. We could elect to send this to the queue in the background, but let's do this in the foreground by selecting Calculate. Now that the toolpath calculation is complete, we can look at the Explorer to check the NC program and Walls toolpath verifications. These have also been completed and marked as safe in the background, as we created the next toolpath in the foreground, showing that more work can be completed at the same time. This new addition of toolpath and NC program verification queuing to PowerMill allows you to better manage your CAM programming time, increasing the efficiency of your company resources to meet the needs of your customers and increase profit potential.